Welcome to the video. Just imagine the distance between Los Angeles and San Francisco is almost, means a straight line distance is almost 560 kilometer, 560 kilometer. Or if you think about India, then I am giving you one example. The distance between Delhi and Jodhpur. Jodhpur is at Rajasthan. Jodhpur is in Rajasthan, okay. So the distance between Delhi and Jodhpur, it is almost 480 kilometer. I am talking about aerial distance, that is distance along a straight line, 480 kilometer. So just imagine covering this distance on land by using land transportation system just within 30 minutes. Yes, it is possible to cover this distance, either it is 560 kilometer or 480 kilometer. Less than 30 minutes is required to cover this distance. But for this thing, a special kind of technology, a special kind of transportation system is required. And the name of that transportation system is Hyperloop. Yes, Hyperloop. This was conceptualized by Elon Musk in 2013, just 12 years ago. Okay. This was conceptualized, and they are at present they are testing their prototypes, and countries like India and UAE, they are considering the project. Okay. Anyway, that means very soon we are going to we are going to get this facility very soon. Okay. So in kilometer per hour, normal speeds are mentioned this way. Speed of train or speed of airplanes are mentioned in kilometer per hour, and this is 1200 kilometer per hour. So according to the proposal, means scientists have proposed to achieve a speed of more than 12 kilometer per hour by using this system, Hyperloop. This is a land transportation system. But this is not like the transportation on roads or on rails. You know, maglev trains. Those trains can move at a speed of 600 km per hour, and that is being used by Germany, Japan and China. Okay, 600 km per hour, and we are right now talking about a speed just twice of 600 km per hour, that is 1200 km per hour, and even more than this speed. Actually 1235, okay, 1235 km per hour, which is equivalent to 343 meter per second. That is the speed of sound at normal temperature and pressure through air. That is the speed of sound. So when the speed of any object crosses this speed of sound limit, then in that case that is called as supersonic velocity or supersonic speed. So if the speed of the train crosses this boundary, that is this limit, 1235 km per hour, in that case that train will be called as supersonic train, or that train is moving at a speed of supersonic velocity. That means right now we are talking about supersonic speeds which is achievable by land transport. Normally airplanes move with this speed, normally airplanes, but not land transports or land transportation systems. So what is the technology behind this? The technology in case of maglev trains, that is known to you. Powerful magnets are used in case of maglev trains, means magnetic levitation trains. But here there is one more thing. Here near vacuum tubes, not exactly vacuum, okay, near vacuum tubes means low pressure tubes are used, and pods move inside those tubes. Pods move inside those tubes. So inside that chamber or inside that pipe or inside that tube, the pressure, air pressure is very low. So what is the reason? What benefit we will get by doing this thing? This way, air resistance, that is the drag force, which acts in the opposite direction to the motion of the train. Okay, so drag force can be minimized, means air resistance can be minimized. You can compare this with airplanes moving at high altitudes. At high altitudes, air resistance is very low. So that reduces the drag force, which opposes the motion. Okay, you just keep in your mind that drag force means it opposes the motion. So this is the technology is being used in case of Hyperloop transportation systems, which is supersonic. Target is to achieve supersonic speeds. Okay. So first thing is technology behind, science and technology behind this is, first is Hyperloop, that is that low pressure tubes are used. Next is same as magnet trains, that is powerful magnets will be used. Okay, for levitating the train, means to maintain a gap between the train wheels and the track by a few inches. The amount of gap is few inches. Okay, that way what happens? That way friction between the wheels of the train and the track is minimized. So that way the transportation becomes near silent, not exactly silent but near silent. Okay, so drag force is minimized, friction is minimized, and that way that supersonic speed can be achieved by using this Hyperloop transportation systems. Okay, actually this is already underway. The prototypes are being tested by companies like SpaceX. Okay. One more company is there, Virgin something that name is. So those companies are testing these prototypes at present, and India and UAE are considering this project. Okay. Anyway, so I have already mentioned the technology. Low pressure tubes and then magnetic levitation. Again, linear induction motors are used to propel the train. By using linear induction motors, actually magnetic field is created. And that magnetic field propels the train in the forward direction. So this is the technology behind this Hyperloop transportation system. Okay. So once again I want to mention the same thing, that in 2013, this was conceptualized by Elon Musk. You know Elon Musk, famous person. Anyway, and right now this is in progress. Okay, that means this is expected that very soon we are going to have this facility. We can move across the cities within few minutes, and this speed is comparable with the speed of airplanes. Okay, and one more advantage with this is this way we can lower the emission, means greenhouse gas emission. So that is good for environment. But what is the challenge behind this technology? Using this technology, challenge is highly, means infrastructure cost. Development of the cost of infrastructure is too expensive. Okay, and there is one more thing which is challenging, because low pressure tubes are used. Air pressure is very low inside those tubes. That means safety of the passengers, that needs to be considered. Okay, safety of the passengers in low pressure tubes, that is very challenging. Anyway, challenges are there. With any new technology, challenges are always there, and scientists always try their best to overcome those challenges. So very soon we are going to have this facility. We can move across the cities within few minutes. Okay, by traveling with planes, means traveling in flights or traveling on land will be almost same or the exactly same. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, Hyperloop. Okay. So this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.